Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. P of x equals to 23,500 negative 250 times x. The population of a certain town has been declining since the year 2000. Scientists chose a linear decay model for the decline and arrived at the function above, where x is the number of years since 2000. In how many years will the population be decreased by 2000? Okay, here the variable x represents the number of years since 2000, and we have to find the number of years it will take for the population to be decreased by 2000. Okay, since this x represents the number of years since 2000, when I plug in x equals to 0, that represents the year 2000. And also if I plug in x equals to 0 into the function over here, I'll be getting the population for the year 2000. Okay, let me do it. So p of 0 equals to 23,500 negative 250 times 0. I just plugged in 0 for x over here. Then I'm getting p of 0 equals to 250 times 0 is 0. Then I'm getting 23,500. So the population in the year 2000 is 23,500. But we have to find the number of years it will take. The population will be decreased by 2000. Okay, if this population is decreased by 2000, what is the new population? For that, we have to subtract this 2000 from this 23,500, the population there 2000. So 23,500 negative 2000, that is equal to 21,500. So after the population 23,500 is decreased by 2000, then the new population is 21,500. So we have to find the number of years for the population to reach this one. That is the population after the population 23,500 is decreased by 2000. For that, what we have to do is we have to plug in this new population for p of x over here and find the value of x, because x represents the number of years since 2000. Okay, now let me plug in this new population 21,500 into the function p of x over here. Then I'm getting 21,500 equals to 23,500 negative 250x. Okay, in this equation, my aim is to solve for x. So I have to isolate x on the right side. For that, let me get rid of this value. Let me subtract 23,500 from both sides. Let me do it. So when I do so, this positive value, negative value will cancel out. When I combine positive 21,500, negative 23,500, I'm getting negative 2,000. On the right side, we have negative 250 times x. Let me divide both sides by negative 250. Let me do it. When I do so, this negative 250 will cancel. This negative will cancel out. When I divide this 2000 by 250, on the left side I'm getting 8, on the right side we have x. Okay, now I got the value of x, which represents the number of years since 2000. So that is, it will take 8 years for the population to be decreased by 2000. The answer for this question is 8.